So, good morning, students. So, how are you all? Yesterday we had some discussion, I believe. Na? So, today we will be discussing module 2. Hello, this class is being recorded. Okay. So, and I upload it on YouTube further. Today we are discussing module 2. Here we will discuss about energy management, energy audits. Energy management and energy audits. By the by, by Government of India, Ministry of Power, I am a certified energy manager as well as certified energy auditor also. Okay? Just for your info. I give a lot of talks on this in Goa and Maharashtra. So now, first of all, what is energy management? What is energy audit? What you understand? Please let me know. You have heard these words: energy management, energy audits. Nowadays, they are very popular terms like safety audit, environmental audits, water audit. Lot of audits are happening nowadays. Audit means to check. Basically, audit is just to check input, output, how you are using, where you can save. Simple. See, you all fellows are doing audits. You all fellows are doing management. You are having money in your pocket, or your father pays you something. So you will know how to manage that money for 1 month, 1 semester, 1 year. Correct? You are doing that or not? You are doing it yourself, or you are asking your friends how to manage my finances? You are asking anybody? No, you are managing your finances yourself. Right? Correct? You are also auditing also. Suppose every month your father is paying some X amount. So you will see, this I am spending for travel, for food, for books. You are keeping an account, no? At the end of the month you may check, how much I got, what is available now. You are doing audit also. Actually, one more important audit is time audit. Your life on this planet Earth is very finite. Please understand, not your life, our life on this planet Earth is very finite. It is not infinite. Okay? So you should know, in my life, whatever time I am having, how I am utilizing my time. The people who achieve some success in life are the guys who utilize their time judiciously. Right? Otherwise, 99.99% people are time wasters, and they are nobody in this world. Only that 0.001% who achieve success in life are the people who know how to use their time properly. You agree with me? So that the time audit also comes into picture. In your lifetime, now you have already spent 20 years of your life. What you have done with that? What is your knowledge? What skills you have developed in that? What is your attitude after 20 years of life? Got it? Audit means you question yourself. So now, this class we are confining to energy management and energy audit. First of all, why there is a need? Why there is a need to audit? Because, why? If you are asking money to your father, and every time your father is giving lavishly, do you require audit? Not required. Whenever you require, your father is supporting you. Why should I audit? But is it the case with everybody? It is not the case with everybody. Time is a very precious commodity, the most precious commodity in your life. Money is secondary. You may make money, but you cannot make time. Okay. Likewise, energy. See, today, I think yesterday I was discussing about energy, no? That we are net importers. We are not energy independent nation. We are a dependent nation. I was telling you. And I gave an example that we spend almost 12 lakh crores per annum just to import crude oil. And whatever oil you use on your transport vehicles, they are almost 80% is imported. Fine. This is a very big amount for the nation also. Forget about individuals, industries, it is a big amount for the nation. That is why Prime Minister during his Independence Day speech, he made a very clarion call on this. We need to go for renewable sources of energy. And that is how now the impetus is on hydrogen. We are planning to go for hydrogen economy, so that India, instead of being a net importer of crude oil as on date, will become exporter of hydrogen in maybe 1 or 2 decades. Fine. Secondly, now you see any industry, today you buy a mobile phone, you buy a bike, whatever you buy, clothes you buy, it comes to some industries. Fine. Industries are using energy. Energy can be electricity, that is secondary energy, or it can be direct coal. For thermal energy, heat energy, they use. Even your drinks, you drink alcohol and all, that is distilled. For distillation also they require heat, and heat comes through some form of like primary source or secondary source, right? Got it? Industries also. Now there is lot of competition, I think you understand, lot of competition in industry also. Many industries come up, many industries wind up also. Cost is very important, and energy is also important. I don't know whether any of you have seen the electricity bill of your house, or even if, for example, your house, you take one simple house, 4 or 5 people staying in a house, you have some fans, you may have fridge, you may have TV, lighting systems, some may have an AC also. But have you audited what is the electricity requirement, how I can save? Unfortunately, we Indians are very focused on saving money. We are obsessed, rather not focused, I would rather use the word obsessed of saving money. But that is not the only way out. Some people are obsessed of making money. Correct? But industries, if they have to survive, then they have to be very cost competitive. Even in this college, we have done, your senior students in mechanical engineering, they have some audit. They have published in international journal also. And not only that publication, we have saved, I think we are saving every month 25,000 rupees after that audit. Every month we are saving 25,000 rupees net after the audit. I will tell you how. Okay. So how you have saved? Now the question comes, how you have saved? Can anybody guess how it was saved? You are not in that frame of mind. Okay, so I think you require bookish definitions. So what is energy management and audit? The fundamental goal of energy management is to produce goods and provide services with the least cost and least environmental effect. Not only cost, but even the environmental impact should be the least. I think developed countries, they are very, very particular about environmental impacts. Now in India, of late, due to intervention of courts, like Supreme Court has intervened, lot of legislation have come with regard to environment pollution. So we have got Environment Protection Act 1986. I think you might have studied that. So now a lot of legislations have taken place. So now it is not only economy, it is also environment. Because energy, wherever you produce, suppose you take a bike and go. So you are using fuel, petrol, diesel, whatever it is. You are burning it, and yesterday we saw 1 kg of petrol almost releases 3 kg of CO2 in the atmosphere. So atmosphere here on this planet Earth, it acts like a huge sink. So whatever nonsense we do, atmosphere takes up the temperature, heat, atmosphere takes in the pollutants. You got it? Because we are free to do so. But industries are, as an individual we may do it, but industries cannot do it. I think you have seen Zuari factory or even Aditya Birla factory. On the in the main entrance, they will put a board. What are the emissions they are having? Emissions to air, emissions to water, emissions to soil. They have to mention that. What are the emissions and how they are managing those emissions, because they can't send the dirty things in the air, water. No, they have to neutralize it and send it across. Any industry you go, the outside the main gate there will be a board. What are the pollutants? How they are taking care of it. Got it? So it is not only economy; it also involves environment. And aptly, your title of the subject also is energy and environment. Okay. So energy management is the judicious and effective use of energy to maximize profits, minimize costs, and enhance competitive positions. Right? You need to be competitive. Now, how you do this energy management? Like you take a simple case of your money, your personal money, what you spend in a month. Simple case. Then what do? You have a list now, what are your expenditures are there in 1 month, how many holidays are there, where are you want to visit. Again, you have, anybody is not having? You know how much you are spending, you know that? So everybody knows how they are spending money, correct? So you are managing your finances well, good. Likewise, your time also you are managing. Time, you know, how much time you have got on planet Earth? You don't know. You estimate yourself. So your money, like suppose your parents give you money, you have got some expenditure, and at the end of the month you have some money balance with you, or you may borrow also. Either way, you may have excess, or you may even borrow from family and friends. So you'll understand ना कि where I am spending that money, पैसा आ कहाँ से रहा है, पैसा जा कहाँ रहा है, और उसको कैसा यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, correct? Same thing applies to your energy, any industry. For example, you take this college, this campus itself. So, of course, we are saving energy more because I am recording this class. That is why. Otherwise, I would have kept these fans open, and I need to shout more. With this mask and all, even our breathing is difficult. So, shouting loudly is even more difficult. No, this is not the way. If I open the window door, we will have more air passing through. Like you call it natural ventilation. In your civil engineering term, natural cross ventilation. Likewise. Then daylight illumination. So we are using this, it is painted white so that it reflects light.
Giving laborers to cut the grasses instead of using machines.
But there you are using manual energy, na?
They will at least get some.
You try it out once, boss. I'll tell you, it is the way they are doing, na? These guys are doing, hats off to them. We cannot do that. You cannot stand, forget about doing that. And you can't stand the way they stand. Of course, they are very healthy. But then actually, if you look at this mankind, we have grown over the years, and over the years we have psychologically we have thought that doing menial job is not good for. I am big man. Why should I be doing small things? We have developed that kind of mindset. People they don't walk even short distances. They have, right, it is below my dignity. I have a bike, I have a car, so they use transport vehicles. And the rich and super rich, they have got gyms at home only. So they will be sweating out. I think you might have seen. All these film stars with zero figure and all, they don't eat also. Correct? And they have got their own personal trainers, personal gyms. It depends how you look at life. Okay? So energy audit is the key to a systematic approach for decision making in the area of energy management. If you want to manage energy, like you want to manage your finance, you need to have idea about energy audits. I will be discussing some numericals at the end, if not today, maybe tomorrow. How you, there will be alternate proposals. How you choose a proposal A over B. What are the parameters? Maybe today you are not conversant with that, you are not aware. Tomorrow once you know, you will be able to solve that. Okay? Energy audit attempts to balance the total energy inputs with its use and serves to identify all the energy streams in a facility. Like this college only, even a house, you can take your house, no issues. So, what are the energy streams in your house? What are the energy streams are there? You are using solar energy? Very good, excellent. He is using renewable energy source. Very good, solar energy. Maybe for water heater or solar photovoltaic system. Next. How you are doing cooking at home? Cooking, how are you doing? LPG. So LPG is a one source of energy. Okay? It is generating heat, so you are able to cook. How you traveled from house to this place? By bike. So there you are using petrol. That is one source of energy. How your father commutes to work? You are getting a public transport. There will be diesel used. Right? Then you have got all that heating, ventilation, air conditioning, this all fans. This your electrical energy. Then you have got your fridge. You may have room heater. Here room heater is not required. ACs are there. They require electricity. Then anything else? You may have some barbecue and all. You may use coal once in a while. Prepare something. Coal is required. So these are all the sources of energy for your house. But have you audited how much you are using every month? Have you audited? Have you seen the electricity bill of your house? Huh? Anybody? Please see today and bring your bills. Some two boys from Goa and two from Karnataka. I'll show you how to read the bill. You don't know how to read the bill also. Unfortunately, actually that is some part is there in your this syllabus also. I'll tell you how that billing is done. Anybody knows how billing is done? Electricity billing is done?
Depending upon unit, number of units used.
Very good. That is.
Amount of after the 100 units, the charges may differ.
Yes, very good. I think he knows. That is not the complete story. This is a part of the story. Depends on the usage. That is one part. Then there are another two parts into that.
Depending upon how much unit you use, minimum you will get the minimum amount. Now after that minimum amount is crossed, minimum units are crossed, then the charges may differ.
That it will increase.
Yeah, it will.
Very simple. Yesterday also I was telling the same thing. For the first say 50 or 100 units, the rate will be very low, 3-4 rupees per unit. Beyond that 100 to 200, it will go 1 rupee extra. Beyond that, it will go another rupee extra. So see, if you use within 50 units, the rate is only 3 rupees per unit. But if you use 500 units, the rate will be almost 10 rupees per unit. You are not seen that bill. This is one part of the bill. Second part is based on your house. Suppose you have got a AH house, you have got a pump, you have got a AC and all. So there will be some fixed unit, 3 kVA, 4 kVA. My house I have got 4 kVA bill. Even I am there in the house or not, whether the house is locked for entire month, still bill will be there. Still bill will be there, correct? If there is 0 units, no units consumed, but there is a bill. That is for the consumption, maximum demand. They call it as contract demand. These are new terms to you. These are as contract demand. CD. If you see your house, it will have 2, 3, 4, 5 kVA, depending upon your installations in the house. And even though you are not there in the house for 2-3 months, based on this contract demand, you will get. What is this contract demand means? Now the supply company, Hubli Electric Supply Company, is supplying electricity to you. They should know na, ki, what is your requirement, what is his requirement. So they will compile all the requirement. Accordingly, they will supply. And this forms the contract. Based on this, they will put the transformers and all. Got it? And we saved, I told you 25,000. Out of that, 20,000 is because of this contract demand. When I joined here, I saw that contract demand of this college was 150 kVA. And for each kVA, I think we pay 200 rupees. Just imagine. 150 into 200, it's 30,000 rupees. Right? Then what we have done, I saw this contract demand is what is the contract between us and the electricity supply company, that is HESCOM in this case. Right? Then, but our maximum demand, actual demand was hardly 40 kVA, 50 kVA. But we are paying for 150 kVA, but our demand is hardly 40-50 kVA. So unnecessarily 100 kVA we are simply paying. So we are reduced down the contract demand from 150, now it is 60 kVA only. You got it? Nothing. We have paid some contractor to do some corrections here, but by that one step we have saved almost 20,000 rupees per month. Right from 4 years we are saving. Otherwise, earlier the bill was very high. Now the 25,000, 30,000 less bill we are getting. Got it? Similarly, your house also you can check up. Okay? Then why there is a need for energy audit? Why there is a need for energy audit? I don't know whether you are aware, in the developed countries, Western world, people are very, very conscious about the impact the company has on the environment. In India, we are very, very price conscious, but abroad they are very conscious about quality, they are conscious about safety, they are conscious about environment also. They will not buy any Tom, Dick and Harry's product because it is cheap. No. You need to have very less carbon footprints. You heard of this word? Carbon footprint? You need to have very low carbon footprint. You are getting me? So it is not only economics, but it is also to do with environment. So what are the types of audits? There are two types of audits. One is simple audit. You walk through for 1 or 2 days, 3 days, and you see where all it is used, how it is used. Mote taur pe, we call it broadly. We classify these are the activities and these how you can save like this. That will be a 2-3 day affair. That is called as walk-through audit or preliminary audit. Then comes detailed audit. Suppose we go to Aditya Birla plant at Binga. They manufacture, that is a chlor-alkali plant. They manufacture caustic soda, hydrochloric acid. Correct? They get that sodium chloride, salt from Gujarat and all. Then they NaCl, Na is broken, Na chlorine, and this Na goes for NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. The caustic soda for making your detergents. Powder is used for that. So unka demand is 30. I was just reading 32 megawatt. Kitna? I am only like to your house. I was reading 2, 3, 4 or 5 kVA, but there is 32 MVA. Mega 10 into 10 raised to 6 is mega. Correct? 10 raised to 3 is kilo. तो वहाँ पे उनका एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट एनर्जी बिल बहुत बड़ा है. So they also do it. They can't do like this preliminary audit. Now, then they will do very detailed audit. For example, suppose he makes 1 kg of caustic soda. Okay, he is not the only bond who is doing this caustic soda. Globally, it is being done. India is not the only nation. What is the amount of electricity or energy input going for that caustic soda? We call it as energy intensity. We call it as energy intensity. 1 kg caustic soda बनाने के लिए suppose he is using 2 units of electricity. But you go to some developed countries, they have got very superior technologies. They may use only 1 kilowatt. Got it? The product. I can give some examples also. Like just you use iron box at home. Everybody. So as in sorry to say, anybody will early morning they will wake up, one shirt, one pant there and keep. But what happens there? Then after that, that boy will come, my son will come, he will do. Then my daughter will come. Whoever. So what they are doing, every time it is heated up, used, and then it is getting cooled. Every day, everybody is doing. My wife, my son, everybody is doing. But they are not doing in a coordinated manner. इसका अलग टाइम रहेगा, इसका अलग टाइम रहेगा, इसका अलग टाइम. तो क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट हो रहा है ना उधर. गर्म होने के लिए गर्म हो रहा है और ठंडा भी हो रहा है. तो वो वेस्ट. सी आई एम गिविंग वेरी स्मॉल एग्जांपल. This is a very silly example also for you. But you take an industry, the industries don't work that way. They are dealing with crores of rupees every day. Their turnover is in crores of rupees every day. Even 1% difference, that will be saving will be lakhs. Even 1% saving in an industry will be worth lakhs of rupees. Somewhere I guess give one case. And even your food they prepare at home. Such a big cooker they will take and put only half kg, 1 kg. Is it required? Unnecessarily I am heating the entire cooker, such a big cooker. Not? You should have different size of cookers. Sir, you have range है 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter, 20, है क्या नहीं? तो जितना बेकार में काहे को गर्म कर रहे हो उसको? The same concept, ideology is applied there also. Suppose in a bus we are traveling in a bus. So if the bus has a capacity of 50, so there should be 50 people. Not that 5 people are traveling. Then it is called as underutilization. Then it is known as underutilization. सही है कि नहीं? 50 लोग जहाँ जा सकते हैं, 5-6 लोग जा. Suppose I am driving a car. I am the only guy sitting in the car. तो क्या फायदा हो? Now that is why the concept of carpooling and all is coming. Okay. Now, so there will be a report actually. There will be a report of energy audit. You can make this report for your own time also, time management. You can make this report for your own money management. And nowadays there are a lot of audits for green audits, environmental audits, safety audits. They are very mandatory. Optional नहीं है. They are mandatory. Even for institutions, you are all civil engineering students, it is mandatory. We should have energy audit. We should have sewage treatment plant. Mandatory है, optional नहीं है. Even e-waste management we should have. Solid waste management we should have. It is not optional because we have less students. I have seen I had been to Haliyal Engineering College, SDM Engineering College. They have spent 80 lakhs for that STP in Haliyal and Dharwad. 80 lakhs. I was shocked actually. So, whenever you do audit, what we want, कि हम बचा सकते कैसे भाई, हम पैसा कैसा बचा सकते? Ultimately, that is required ना. Nobody is interested in your English. अबे पैसा बचाने कैसा बोल यार, correct? So that is the first thing. We will tell the energy audit options at a glance and recommendations. We will give recommendations. Because everybody is not interested in your stories. Industry, I told, they are having turnover of crores of rupees, means he will say, पैसा बचा कैसे सकता है? That even distillery, I think Goa has got almost 50 distilleries. There is opportunity to save. This is a good field also now picking up. Any graduate engineer with some 2 years of experience in energy production, distribution, utilization can write that 4 examinations by paying 10,500 rupees fees and become an energy auditor. Okay. So for the conducting energy audit, you need to have a team. Some mechanical fellow will be there, some civil engineering fellow will be there, some architect can be there, some electrical engineer. There will be a team of people, right? Then you cannot go and stand like this and see what is happening. You need to have instruments. Okay, suppose now you are feeling slightly uncomfortable. So what are the weather conditions of air here, what is the temperature, what is the relative humidity, what is the airflow rate. Correct? You should have devices to measure this. Then you will also see what are the raw materials coming in. I told you, like Aditya Birla, the raw material coming is salt, sodium chloride. Correct? Likewise, your house also you can take. You are making food on, suppose cooking is done on LPG, somebody said. Correct? Somebody may be making out of induction cooker also. Some may be using firewood also. Some may be using kerosene also. Correct? There are various options available. Which option is good? How you know? You have to make some analysis, no? Which option is good? Which option is good? Which is efficient? Tell me which is efficient. Actually, people are now using LPG because it is very convenient. Earlier days they are using firewood. Even now, if you go to villages and all small remote places, they don't have access to electricity or LPG. They are still using. India is one of the countries where I think still 50% of the families are using firewood only. Only we are the privileged people who live in towns who have access to electricity and LPG. Not everybody. Then you will study the manufacturing process. Now, anybody knows how to prepare rice? Dal? You know how to prepare rice dal? Good. If you soak that rice and dal in water for 1 hour and then cook, your energy requirement will increase or decrease? Decrease, huh? Correct? See, I am giving you all small examples because you relate. If I talk very high tech, you may not understand also. So, if you soak your dal and rice, then if the cooking time is reduced, so your fuel consumption is reduced, right? This is one step. I am just giving you some steps. So there is a method of cooking also. I don't know how many of you have seen that people who make dosas. In everybody's house they make dosa. Hai na? In our house, how they will make one dosa, keep. Take. Another dosa, keep. You go to the Chennai and all eateries, they have got a big plate. 5 fellows, tak, 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 tak. ऐसा झाड़ू लगा के पानी लगा रहा निकाल के दे. People are mad about those dosas, I tell you. You don't know. I have stayed in Chennai for 2-3 months. Awesome dosas. Okay. And here, what they do, I don't know about your homes. My home, I know. Hey, tadiri, madakatiri, one, low. By the time control bhi nahi rehta, kabhi jaldi de. You got my point. Process also matters. See, I will give one example. No, please, I have told yesterday also, whatever I speak in the class is only for the class only. Don't extend beyond unnecessarily. Okay, and that too some in wrong directions and all. Okay. Now you see, I will give an example. You might have gone to Domino's Pizza Hut and all. Yes, see? It is fully mechanized. Only that little thing he does by hand, otherwise it is fully, how much water should come, how much salt should come, everything is mechanized there. But in India, what happens, when in our house, what it happens, every day it is a new exercise only. I also cook here, and every day it is something different only. Whatever I cook, every day is different. It is, because there is no standardization here. But there it is programmed. Your computer science people, it is programmed कि इतना आना चाहिए 4 लोगों का मतलब इतना पानी आना चाहिए, इतना salt आना चाहिए, everything, dough इतना आना चाहिए, इतना time needing होना चाहिए, everything is programmed. But when we do at home, nothing is programmed. Whatever is available, we will take, put inside. समझ आ रहा है क्या नहीं? And one more thing, this is my personal observation. In India, we have almost 130 crores population. So you can say around 30-40 crores of families. Correct? And every family, please listen carefully, every family, there will be 1 or 2 person who are doing cooking only. Very big statement I am making. You go to other developed countries, they don't cook यार. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि दिन में 4 घंटे खाना ही बना रहे हैं. इंडिया में खाना बनाना is a big business. There they will get it. You order Zomato, Swiggy, it comes. ठीक है ना? They don't. The entire family is not involved in cooking or the amount of time they spend, because food delivery is very cheap that way. Cooking, if I end up cooking here, my cost of cooking is very high, na? My salary per hour is very high here. I cannot be ending doing that kind of job. You are getting me? But India में क्या है, ज़्यादातर लोग खाना बनाने में, तो India, that is why yesterday I asked, na, still a developing country, so this is also one of the reason. Think it over. There ऐसा नहीं है, husband also goes to wife. Here also you can take, so many people are there, educated people. They marry each other. So they are earning money, means they are contributing in a bigger way, better way. I am not saying cooking is a bad thing, no. But उसका जो revenue, the money you get is less. But if you do some other activity, you do programming, coding, you do testing, you are paid high. Got it? So don't take me somewhere else. Acha. Then utilities, what are you using at home? So you are using like electricity. In any industry, how they heat? Now you are whiskey you are drinking, rum and whiskey. How they are heating that rum? Any idea? How they are heating milk? Soda rum bole to you will say what is principal is talking about liquor in college. How they are heating milk? Tell me. Boiler में क्या करते हैं? Boiler, I agree with you, but boiler में करते क्या हैं? Exactly. In boiler, they will use maybe coal, they may use wood. ठीक है? It may be oil-fired boiler. They will send water, produce steam. Then that steam will heat this milk. Every day, even Goa Dairy, I was reading some 1 lakh liter they are processing milk. It is not like our हाउस ना, we take a vessel, गैस के ऊपर रख दिया, गर्म हो रहा है मेरा दूध, ऐसा थोड़ा ना, वो 1 लाख लीटर ऐसा थोड़ा गर्म करेगा उसको. तो it is supplied in a pipeline. It is on the pipeline there is a jacket. It is heated along with, and immediately it is cooled also. I don't know whether you have visited. I have visited 2-3 dairies. I used to take students also to visit. Belgaum Dairy I have visited, Dharwad Dairy I have visited. They almost 2 lakh, 3 lakh liters of milk every day they process. It is heated. That their process is called as pasteurization, where it is heated some 15-20 seconds at 70-75 degrees centigrade, so that they kill the microorganisms, and immediately it is chilled. What is chilling? Cool down. So what is cool down? Now I drink water, sir, that is cold. Chilled means somewhere at 4 to 6 degrees centigrade. Chilled, you drink chilled, na? So this is whatever best drink chilled. लिखा ना, thumbs up. Drink chilled लिखा रहता है ना उसके ऊपर. Means it should be consumed at somewhere 4 degrees, 5 degrees centigrade. So you have that feel. Got it? So pasteurization, this is a process, and for this you require both heat source, steam, and then cooling also require. Cooling के लिए क्या है? Refrigeration. Very good. They have got huge, big, like you have got ice plants here, na? Refrigeration system. Same thing there. Got it? But again, that is in a process, not in a container. Okay. And just then water, even house you are consuming water, na? Water is coming free. You are paying for that. Na? See, house their expenditure may be less, but when it comes to an industry, the industry requirements are very huge. पानी भी लेते हैं ना, पानी फुकट नहीं आता, बस पैसा लगता है. ठीक है. Then compressed air. Then there is something called compressed air. There, a lot of industries use compressed air also. Where they use? You have seen anybody compressed air? अबे तुम्हारे बाइक में हवा डालते हैं ना, तो क्या करके डालता है क्या? फिर compressed air है ना उधर भी. फिर दिमाग की बत्ती खोलो जरा. Keep an open mind. Okay. That is a compressor. Even painting, you might have seen painting, spray painting they do. They use compressors. Even if you go to a garage, this all automated garages they call, na? Honda, Hero Honda, this all these fellows. They use the tools. Pneumatic tools are there. They are not aisa ki ghuma raha hai. These all only in repair shops. But in automated workshop, they'll have power tools. They are called as power tools. Then chilled water. Chilled water is for chilling. Chilling is a process of bringing the temperature to. No, it's very important. The way I speak is something different. Even milk is chilled. Otherwise, this all milk what you consume, don't think that milk is produced somewhere, it comes to your house, aram se, packet mein. Nowadays, if you ask my children, from where you get milk, we get milk from packets, they tell. ऐसा नहीं है. Milk is chilled. Because when these villagers bring the milk, it cannot be kept like that for long. So immediately, first stage only they do chilling. First stage only they chill. Why they chill? Anybody? Your refrigerator, what it does? Keeps fresh. How? It doesn't get spoiled. Why? See, as an engineer, as a common man, you should ask how, why, when, who. This question should come. Then only that inquisitiveness should be there. Simple process hai. You all are wise people. You know, make curd they make, na? Curd, how they make? They take milk, they put some curd sample in that. And then they keep in the outside or in the fridge?
Outside.
ये जिसने भी फ्रिज बोला ना वो उसको साला कुछ मालूम नहीं है. ठीक है, theoretical engineers है ये लोग. It is not kept outside. It is kept outside for 4-5 hours. Then that bacteria will multiply. That bacteria will multiply. वो थोड़ा it will turn sour. जब वो we don't want further multiplication ना, then we will put it in the fridge. Got it? सब ऐसे सब इंग्लिश में इंजीनियर बन गए लोग. Right? Why I gave that example of curd means same thing applies to any food item. If any food item, if you keep it outside, then there will be microbial action, bacteria, virus, fungi, whatever you call it. But if you keep in fridge, the fridge temperature is around 6 to 8 degrees centigrade. These all things will not. They will be sitting like this, thanda. बाहर निकालो तो फिर एकदम action, correct? Then cooling water. Then you will have a diagram कि कैसा मटेरियल आ रहा है, कैसा मटेरियल जा रहा है, कैसा एनर्जी आ रहा है, कैसा एनर्जी जा रहा है, कैसा प्रोसेस हो रहा है. I gave an example of caustic soda 1 kg to make 1 kg. What is electricity used? So it depends on the technology being used. No, you are sitting comfortably. You are not bothered because तुम्हारे को पैसे का knowledge नहीं है. You go and work in industry, then you will get all this knowledge. You will get. This was something called as, if I ask you how much, like even college, even in institutions, how much one person is spending energy, you have any idea? Now we have a college called GST, we have a college called IIT also, correct? What is electricity consumption? Per student, per year, what is the consumption of electricity? Please go back home and do this exercise at home. घर में कितने लोग हैं, घर में एक साल में एलपीजी कितना यूज़ किया, एक साल में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कितना यूज़ किया, एक आदमी का कितना आया? हाँ, तो करके देखो, तेरा अलग रहेगा, इसका अलग रहेगा. समझ में आया? तो स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी कंजम्पशन विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. यू आर गेटिंग मी? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी कंजम्पशन. मीन्स पर केजी, पर एक आइटम बनाने के लिए कितना आता है. सपोज यू वी आर वेयरिंग सम क्लोथ्स, सो ये बनाने के लिए कितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगा? It is measured in seconds. I tell you, you are not aware because this manufacturing happens in bulk, not small numbers like वो टेलर के पास दिया, वो 15 दिन के बाद देता हूँ शर्ट. नहीं, you know how much time they take to prepare a shirt in the industry? Have you seen anybody seen this? How they make garments? Near my hometown, there are garment industries I have seen. One person will be stitching only this, one stitching only this, one this. अलग अलग लोग अलग स्टिच करते हैं. I think hardly in few minutes shirt is ready. And every day they make hundreds of shirts. Hundreds. You have to visit those things. Otherwise, watch the Discovery Channel. I think Discovery Channel में ना how it is made. How it is made. If you watch, please watch those National Geographic as well as
Discovery Science.
Discovery Science, whatever it is. Discovery में है. ठीक है. I watch once in a way, so I don't remember all those things. But I watch those things. So they tell so many things are made known. How this, especially big lays, big industries, you know, how they make, how they clean. Fantastic process. Now somebody was telling boiler. I think you told boiler. So what is the efficiency of a boiler? I have to study. There are different types of boilers. Like I can give simple example here. You are all sitting here. Many of you are having bikes. Some may have scooter, some may have 150 cc, some may have 100 cc. है क्या नहीं? क्या सब लोग पैदल चलते हो? How many you are having bike? Which?
Scooter. 125 cc.
125 cc. What you are having? Which bike? Pulsar 150, 180, 180. So you mean to say his vehicle efficiency and your vehicle efficiency are same? नहीं. I am giving simple example so that you appreciate that. Similarly, application with boilers. हमारा when it comes to our personal life, we have got a lot of taste. Yeah, I want it to look like this. ये कलर होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, काम होना चाहिए. समय पैसा कम लगना चाहिए, काम ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, मेंटेनेंस फ्री होना चाहिए. Correct? So boiler efficiency assessment, furnace efficiency, then cooling water performance assessment, DG set. Like we have got a DG set here. You know what is diesel generating set? There is efficiency involved in that, no? Correct? If you, I gave a thumb rule. If I put 1 liter of diesel in that, it should produce me 5 units of electricity. So 100 rupees का डीजल हो गया, 5 यूनिट हो गया, मीन्स 1 यूनिट का कॉस्ट 20 रुपये हो गया अगर मैं डीजी सेट चलाता हूँ. अगर वो डीजी सेट हम लोग मेंटेनेंस नहीं किए, वो 5 के बदले 4 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करेगा. कितना करेगा? 4. फिर बाद में 3 करेगा. You are getting me? If the air filter is blocked, if there is no proper oil, lubrication oil, lot of problems will happen. You are understanding? If the firing is not proper, if the injection is not proper, fuel injection is not proper, that is why they go for maintenance servicing, right? Refrigeration system performance. तुम्हारा फ्रिज है, अभी हमारे घर में सबके घर में फ्रिज है. How you know the performance of your fridge? Anybody knows?
Energy rating.
Very good. Energy rating. There are star rating. Star labeling is there. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. 5 star is the highest. But it is also the most expensive also. 5 star fridge will cost you 50,000 rupees. 2 star fridge will cost you 20,000 rupees. तो पैसा भी है ना. ना बाप बड़ा ना भैया. सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So you have to think. That is called the first cost. That is called the first cost. But we should always, as an engineer, we should not think only of first cost. We should think of life cycle cost. We should think of life cycle cost. Right? And your performance, your father will be checking, na? How much marks you got? I just saw this morning one girl, small girl, cartoon hai, small girl, one boy is asking, अरे तेरे को इतना अच्छा 99% मार्क्स आया, तू क्या खाती है? तो वो चप्पल और एक बाप का चप्पल और माँ का वो क्या ये वो खाती हो. Because of that, means parents are so strict with the child. The child is only into academics, and she got very good marks. Just joke. This morning I saw that. Then electrical motor load analysis. One more thing I will tell you. Here we have got a pump. There is a well here where we get water, and that pump we work for almost 5-6 hours per day. We saw, I will give that example, how we save money. We saw that pump, that was an old pump, and that was rewound 2-3 times. Rewind means pump जलने के बाद उसको वायरिंग डालते हैं 2 बार. जब भी तुम उसको rewinding करते हो तो उसका एफिशिएंसी डाउन हो जाता है. ठीक है, 5-10% डाउन हो जाता है. और एक बार मालूम नहीं पड़ता किसका बाप का चाहता है, पंप पानी मार रहा है ना बस. बट वो उसका एफिशिएंसी कम हो, वो करंट ज़्यादा खा रहा था. इट वॉज टेकिंग मोर एनर्जी एंड गिविंग लेस वाटर. So we have replaced that pump for around 20,000 rupees. अगर if you take 3 HP का पंप है, 3 यूनिट्स का पकड़ो, 6 hours में 18 20 means 20 units per day 20 into 5 अभी 10 पकड़ो 200 रुपीज़ का पर दिन ये जा रहा था 200 रुपये का पर डे मीन्स एवरी मंथ इज ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6,000 5,000 में अगर 20% बच गया तो कितना बच गया 1,000 रुपये बच गया तो 20 महीने में उसका पंप का कॉस्ट नया निकल गया हाउ यू डू एनालिसिस okay then lighting systems now what lights you should use at home LED very good earlier days we are using that incandescent bulbs no you are not using CFL then CFL you are not using that bulb big 15 filament bulb you are not using in filament bulb very simple example again I will give filament bulb 95% of the energy what is supply goes in the form of heat. It goes in the form of heat. That is why it is called an incandescent bulb. Incandescent. The filament, the tungsten filament will grow red, yellow, white and then emit red. But LEDs are very efficient. LEDs are very, that is, they call it luminous efficiency. Per watt, bulb used to give 15 lumens. कितना? 15 lumens per watt. Incandescent bulb. LEDs 100 lumens per watt. 6 times ज़्यादा. 6 times more efficient. Correct? This you are not knowing. Okay.